Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open, for example, the messages in order to open the keyboard, and let's tap on the settings icon. Let's choose the first option, language and keyboard layout, and here we've got the list of previously applied languages. If we want to add new ones, simply click on select languages, and here we've got the full list of available languages which we can use. So let me pick something, for example this one. Let's tap on it in order to choose it. Let's get back, and as you can see, it is immediately applied to our previous list. Let's get back to the keyboard. And here we've got the language icon. After tapping on this, we can switch through the languages. And as you can see, now I am typing the language I've just chose. If you want to remove it, simply let's go back to the settings, click on language, click on select languages, and tap on the one you want to remove to turn it off. If you want, you can also turn off the Spanish, for example. Let's get back. And as you can see here, we have no language icons, so we cannot switch through the languages and we can type only English. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.